In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing how you can get any OG name inside of Fortnite. As you can see, I've currently got the name Mr. President, and if you have a close look at my name, you can see that there are no extra spaces and no weird gaps between the letters. Also, if I type a message in the text chat, you can see that the name appears completely normal. Once again, there are no weird spaces, no gaps between the letters, and no special characters are visible. Just a clean username. I'm also going to quickly load up into a match. I'm going to type a message in the voice chat, and you can once again see that the name looks completely normal. I'm also going to thank the bus driver, and even in the kill feed, the name is normal. To get any epic name that you want, the first thing that you need to do is download this text document. To download, you need to simply open your browser and paste this link that is going to be in the description. Now on this page, you need to simply click on download and make sure that you download this file instead of just copying the character from the website. Next, head to the Epic Games website and log into your account. Now click on your profile and then press account. Now simply click on the edit button next to your display name. And here's what you need to do now. Open up the text file, right click and press select all. Now right click again and press copy. Now what you need to do is set any name that you want. This is the name that I'm gonna set. And what you need to do now is simply paste this special character at any random spots between your username. But make sure that you only paste this character between two letters and do not paste this at the start and the end of your username. Also avoid pasting it in the blank spaces. If you paste this character in a blank space at the start or at the end of your username, it is going to completely break your username, and then you might end up getting weird spaces, or the special character itself might appear in your username. Once you do that, click on continue, and as you can see, using this trick, you can get whatever username that you want. I'll also show you my new username inside of Fortnite. We are back inside of Fortnite. Now have a look at my new username. It's clean and it looks OG. That being said, this is going to be the end of the video. If it helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with a friend who wants an OG username but wasn't able to get one. That is all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.